Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now the momentum is building for the Grammy Awards. The anticipation is at fever pitch for the announcement of the winner in the Best Reggae Album category at the 61st staging of the annual Grammy Awards this weekend. The contenders in the running for the coveted award is Grammy newcomer Etana with her fifth studio album Reggae Forever. Notedly, the I-Rise singer is the first female artist nominated in the reggae category in the last 21 years. Another Grammy newcomer is Protege with his fourth album, the Near Roots Reggae Project, A Matter of Time. Eight-time Grammy Award-winning artist Ziggy Marley's seventh studio album, Rebellion Rises, also made the cut, as did British rocker Sting and diamond-selling artist Shaggy's tropical-flavored collaborative album called 44876. Rounding out the top five is Black Uhuru's As the World Turns, the group's first album in over 15 years. The biggest night in music, the 61st Annual Grammy Awards, will be live on Sunday, February 10 at 8 o'clock, right here on TVJ. A new album is on the horizon for Shaggy. Grammy Award-winning artist Shaggy is back with a new album dubbed Wagwan. Set for release on May 10 this year, the 12-track compilation is a robust musical journey that invites the listener in with Shaggy's trademark Caribbean-forged, energy-infused musical vibrancy. Tracks included on the album are Use Me, the album's first single, which is chocked full of island vibes, witty wordplay, and an irresistible pop melody. While the bombastic DJ is nominated for his 8th Grammy for Best Reggae Album, he's also gearing up to host the 61st Grammy Awards premiere ceremony this Saturday in Los Angeles. Orisha Sound offers Fire and Ice. Fire and Ice is the name of the debut album from Orisha Sound, the two-member collective consisting of multicultural singer-musician Orisha Pelso and Jamaican singer Sheldon Shelke Williams. Speaking at the release party held yesterday, the dynamic duo shared that though Fire and Ice is an international album, it features strong accents of local flavor.
The album has lots of musicians from Jamaica on it. Benji from Rough Cut, he played on about 6 or 7 tracks. Stingray is a Jamaican musician as well.
Trombone player.
Yes, and J Flow is a writer, young writer in Jamaica.
Orisha Sound also premiered the visuals for the first single, One Way Trip. Director Rascasa shared his experience working on the video.
Orisha Sounds, beautiful video, beautiful people, they have good vibes, and I enjoy making that video.
Grammy Award-winning LA producer Timothy Bloom shared that producing Fire and Ice album was a bit challenging at first.
This is different from I've ever done. There's two different cultures, two different personalities, and I had to really fine-tune on what that was, which was a challenge for me.
Orisha Sound has promoted the Fire and Ice album at performances in Belarus, Italy, Russia, Georgia, and the United Kingdom. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Remember, watch the Grammys this weekend on TVJ.